Hi, I'm Steve.
I'm Crystal.
Where to next?
We're at the Delaware County Fair. So join us as we have a fair-tastic day. Try all the fair food, see the fair animals, and we'll bring you with us. So the Delaware County Fair is leading up to the Little Brown Jug, which is a very famous and popular harness race that happens up in Delaware.
It's huge. They shut the town down for the Little Brown Jug.
Neither one of us have been to it. It's on a weekday, so it's hard to get off work and go. But it's a very popular event. A lot of people do go. And the fair is leading up to the crown jewel.
I'm pretty sure if you live in Delaware, it's mandatory that you go to this race.
So you got some ponies here. The little kids can go and ride the ponies. Take you around in a circle for a little bit. This one looks sleepy. So we got a stromboli to share. Steve is getting some marinara, a pop from the Italian eatery. Here's our stromboli we got for our lunch. We're going to share it so we have room for other goodies. It was pepperoni, cheese, I think ham, banana peppers.
Basically like an Italian sub.
Yeah.
In a stromboli.
And they called it a stromboli.
It's good. It tastes like an Italian sub. It's got garlic butter brushed on top of it.
Would you say it's a fairly good fair stromboli?
It is fairly good. Just to be fair.
To be fair. Would you try the pickle pizza? Taylor would. I don't think I'm going to do the pickle pizza. But interesting fair food.
Yeah, I don't have the guts to try it.
No, a little too much pickle for me.
I feel like it's one of those things where if you like pickles by themselves and you like pizza by themselves, doesn't necessarily mean pickle
like
pizza would be awesome.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. But let us know. Would you try it? We just ordered the Philly cheese pretzel. Takes about 6 minutes for them to make it. Never had a stuffed pretzel before. A pretzel bun, but not a stuffed pretzel. So this will be interesting to see how it tastes. Okay, here it is. Philly cheese pretzel, stuffed pretzel.
We're going to sit here in the light rain and eat it.
There was a very slim chance of rain today, but guess what? It's raining now. All right, so is it really hot still?
It is.
We are going to pause and let it cool down. There it is in all its glory.
I don't see, nor did I get any like peppers, onions, anything like that.
Yeah.
It's just basically roast beef and cheese.
So they use the term Philly cheesesteak lightly.
Yeah, the pretzel's really good. It's salty, it's buttered, and you can tell it's fresh.
Yeah.
And even their sign on their cart says, it's fresh, never frozen pretzels, but it just didn't have a lot of flavor other than the pretzel.
Yeah.
Does that make sense? Like the beef is decent quality and the cheese is good and everything. I was expecting like a pop of like Philly cheesesteak flavor. And I'm just not getting that, but the pretzel's really good and it's fresh. I mean, it is a good sandwich. It's just, I was hoping for more flavor.
Yeah. So yeah, the pretzel is really good. It's really buttery. It's got a nice flavor, but yeah, it's just roast beef and cheese. Nothing else, but it's still good, but it's not a Philly cheesesteak.
No, it's kind of like an Arby's sandwich on a pretzel.
It is. That's what it is. It's Arby's sandwich, which you can't go wrong with. So I'm glad we got it. I like it.
Yeah, it's not bad.
The pretzel's really good. I really like the pretzel.
I just think you shouldn't be calling it Philly cheesesteak.
It's false advertising. Go back, throw a fit. Like, sir, where is the onion? Where is the green peppers? All right, we finished eating. Now we are going to go to the goat barn. Go look at some goats. And here's our first one. Him's eating.
Hi, buddy.
Or her, I'm sorry. She's eating. What? Goat butt. So these are some champions. They've got their stall all decorated. So here they are. Hi. Goat nose. Hi, buddy. You're so pretty. And we got some camels. Hi, buddy.
What do you call that?
Oh, you like the camera. He's like, get my good side. Look at that.
It's like, what is that? What are you doing?
I'm sorry, we didn't ask first. May we film you? You're so pretty. I have to film you.
Staring contest.
Just drooling. So we weren't expecting camels, but I heard the girl in there say, someone asked, like, why do you have camels? And she said, our dad wanted camels.
Good enough reason.
Yeah.
Now they've got 3.
Now they have 3 camels. They were pretty cool.
Wally, Ray, and I can't remember what the third one's name is.
They're very curious about the camera.
Wally was the one staring at you.
So we made it over to the horses.
I believe this is a paint.
A paint. I could see that. This one with magnificent hair. I don't see her name.
Buccaneer.
Buccaneer. Hi, Buccaneer. Callie is gorgeous. Look at her mane. She's just got a fresh haircut.
Mm-hmm. You see, like, the way her coat is kind of spotty looking?
Yeah.
That's called dappling. So she's dappled.
You're very dappled. And you're very hungry. Same, horsey, when I'm eating. I don't care who's around. Look at her chomping.
She didn't like that clump. She spit that clump out.
I know. Oh. So concentrated. Bye, Callie. Here's a little miniature.
Oh, hi.
Hi. Look at them pretty eyes. Oh my goodness. You're a pretty baby. Looks like you've got some ribbons. So congratulations. You're very pretty. You're fancy. You got some stuff in your hair. You're very pretty. I think this is Smoke. Hi, Smoke. This one's making some noise. What are you grumpy about? Did they not feed you? Is it feeding time? You didn't get anything. You're very pretty too.
It's always the smallest ones that's got the biggest attitude.
Ain't that the truth?
I like
Hi,
this
Cookie.
one. That's all right, right?
Cookie's got an itch. Hi, Cookie. Is that better? What? Look at her hair.
You got crazy hair.
You got crazy hair. Yum. Chomp, chomp. These two playing around. Just a little bit. Like, they get bored and like, I'll hit you.
Well, there they go. Boom.
It's little boops.
That wasn't even a serious
That was
one.
just a little boop.
That was weak sauce.
Like, oh yeah? Oh yeah, watch this. He's saying it reminds me of a cat, you know. Start wiggling their butts and they're going to attack.
Yeah, now they're both itchy.
Wow. We found some alpacas. Look how little they are. Hi. Don't spit on us. I'll think about it. Oh, look at that one.
Yep.
Oh.
Look at that one.
Well, I won't show you. He's making a poo. That's what he thinks of this. It's a majestic llama. Hi, buddy. There you are. Them ears.
It's mesmerized by the crowd going by.
Yeah. It's people watching. We're at the apple dumpling gang. Getting some apple dumplings and ice cream. We're going to try the brown butter bourbon truffle. They're making it fresh for us. There's what they got. Okay, here is our apple dumplings with brown butter bourbon truffle ice cream. They let us try it. They were super nice. The ice cream was delicious. They made this fresh. This waited a couple minutes. And we are standing over by the livestock because there is nowhere to sit.
We also got chopped pecans on it. And somewhere under all that mess is an apple dumpling.
Yes, so we are going to dig in.
So that's just the ice cream dripping off my spoon.
Okay.
Oh, man. That's so good. Big chunks of like caramel and chocolate and the pecans on there. And then they sprinkled like cinnamon or something on it. It's really good. I'm getting a piece of the apple dumpling here. Chopping a little piece of apple. Get some of the dumpling dough. Chasing it around the bowl.
Get it?
Oh, almost got it. Oh, for crying out
This is
loud.
embarrassing. I'm so sorry.
Get some whipped cream.
Oh, Lord.
So what's nice about this is the apple isn't cooked down to nothingness. Like you get some of these and the apple's just basically mush. The apple is still crispy and it's warm and you can taste the cinnamon and all that. It's really good. It's a really good combo. And I'm going to need you to take a bite of this before I eat the whole thing.
I made fun of you. Now, if I can't get it.
Not so easy, is it?
It isn't.
Is it good?
It's really warm still, but yeah, it's really good. Like you said, the apple doesn't get lost. It's not really mushy or anything. This is really good. I'm glad we went with the apple dumpling. So this is Stockhand Horses for Healing Veterans program. We walked into this building and they have a lot of displays set up for the military, the police. So it should be pretty cool to walk around and see this. But this horse was looking at someone else and looked over at Steve. You like Steve, huh?
She has very soulful eyes.
Yeah. You're a pretty baby. And then here's the poster. They host a Veterans Night. It's really awesome. So here is a replica of a howitzer.
Yeah, this big howitzer on the wheels up here.
And then we have a motorcycle. It says Royal Enfield.
I love how the little tail light says stop.
Oh. Little locks on the cases on the back. So really beautiful display with all the flags and medallions of all the wars. So you have 1776, 1812, Civil War, Confederate War, goes on. And then the branches of the military. And then a beautiful display behind with the flags.
It's called the Battlefield Combat Cross. Rifle, boots, helmet, and dog tag.
So a really interesting display here. It wasn't just Agent Orange. About the different chemicals used during the Vietnam War. And they have them colored here, orange, pink, blue, purple, green, white. And they tell you what was in them. So that's, a lot of it was crop desolation, jungle vegetation desolation. But I never knew that. I never knew, you always heard of Agent Orange. It didn't occur to me that they use a lot of different other chemicals. It's a Vietnam Veterans of America chapter that is trying to bring this to your attention because veterans are still suffering from it. So they have a little information placard here and just trying to inform the public, you know, it's something they're still dealing with. And they have different booths set up around here so you could go around and speak to, you have resources, you can speak to people and everything. So very cool to have this at the Delaware County Fair, I think. All right, we're heading out of the Veterans Display building, but wanted to show you these Jeeps here. That's very cool. With the gun. The shifters are grenades. You have a grenade there. It says U.S. Forces in Germany. U.S. Army Aviation. So I am not well versed enough in military history, so I'm not sure what all that means. But if you do, please let us know in the comments. We're on the Ferris wheel. Steve is thrilled.
It's the rocking.
It rocks.
It's the rocking that gets me.
It goes pretty fast for a Ferris wheel.
It is a very fast Ferris wheel.
They got some music playing and Steve's terrified for his life, but laughing through it.
I mean, it rocks a lot,
It does.
especially when they like stop it abruptly to let people off or get people on.
Yeah.
Arms and legs inside the gondola. Enjoy your view and have a safe day.
Here's the fair, though. We just did their version of a Ferris wheel.
Expo wheel.
Expo wheel. We almost died on it. It didn't seem that bad, but it's like, oh, and it shakes more. But once it got going, it was okay.
And it creaks.
Yeah.
And the rocking. The rocking was, that was an interesting addition to this Ferris wheel.
And getting on and off.
It was tall to get on and off.
It was really hard for me to get on. I did it, but then I got off and I whacked my arm in my head after I warned Steve not to hit his head.
And
So-
the speed of it. This is probably the fastest Ferris
Yeah, it's
wheel I've
fast.
ever been on.
But we got to ride down. We're going to do one more. So we just did their version of the Scrambler, the Sizzler, and we couldn't film on that one, but it's always a lot of fun. And I squished Steve the entire time. I even tried to hold on.
And she laughed about it.
I laughed the
She's
entire
not
time.
sorry she did it.
No, it was a lot of fun. We love those kind of rides. And then we lost a piece of the camera, and Steve was like, "Can I go back in and look for it?" And he did. He let you go back in.
It was the power of Bucky. They saw Bucky and they're like, this guy's cool. We got to let him in.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that checks out. So we're going to check out one more building. I'm not sure what's in here. Maybe some arts and crafts, maybe some vendors. But that will be our last stop for the night. We wrap up this day at the Delaware County Fair. So it looks like we got a couple of people selling some stuff. But then they also have like, political booths, window booths, selling different things, getting you to buy different things. Some cute jewelry. We've seen a lot of people walking around with these, a lot of kids. It's free. Gravestones. Okay. Gentleman's selling some salsa. I have a mishmash of everything. Not as many vendors in here as I thought.
It's kind of vendor's row.
Yeah.
And most of the tables are empty.
I think they're done for the day, and so are we.
Yep.
All right, we'll go outside and wrap it up. Great, we came, we conquered the Delaware County Fair, and now we're taking the 3-mile hike back to our car.
The food overall was really good. I enjoyed everything we had. Even though the Philly cheese pretzel wasn't typically a Philly cheese sandwich, it was still good. It was still really good roast beef and cheese. I liked it.
Yeah.
Oh, that apple dumpling was the best ever. That was so good. The ice cream.
That ice cream was amazing.
Yeah.
I hope we see them again somewhere because we didn't have who's our cheese curds place?
Squeakies.
Squeakies wasn't here, but I think we have another new favorite for the apple cobbler.
We have options.
We do. So we rode a couple of rides. That was fun. It's always nostalgia throwbacks when you were a kid riding the fair rides.
I love riding the Sizzler. That was fun.
Yeah. And we saw some animals. We got to pet some horses, some goats, even camels.
Yep. Saw a llama and alpaca.
Just an impromptu day at the Delaware County Fair. We've never been here before for the fair. So first time, I think we will come back for sure.
So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you get notified when we post new content. And watch out for our upcoming videos when we answer the question,
Where to next?